Tired of trying every cream, serum, and facial, only to see your skin still look meh, dull, dry, uneven? Let me ask you, what if the real fix doesn't come from a bottle, but from what's in your glass? Yes, you heard that right. It's time for a skin glow up from the inside out. Welcome to the 7-Day Juice Challenge, a natural, powerful, and delicious ritual that can completely transform your skin. 1 juice a day, 7 days. A whole new you staring back in the mirror. But here's the thing. Most people won't finish it. Some won't even start. They'll keep spending money on skincare without fixing what's happening inside. But not you. You're here. And you're about to change your skin forever. We begin with a detox power shot. Spinach, cucumber, green apple, mint, lemon. This blend hydrates, cleanses your gut, and gives your skin its first taste of clarity. Your skin's about to take a deep breath for the first time in years. Start clean, start green. Now we turn up the brightness. Carrots packed with beta-carotene, oranges bursting with vitamin C, and a little ginger kick for circulation. This juice is like flipping on a light switch inside your skin. People will start asking if you've changed your foundation. You didn't. You just unlocked skin radiance the natural way. Here's your natural blush in a bottle. Beetroot, pomegranate, and a crisp red apple. This is blood-boosting, iron-rich, glow from the inside magic. It boosts blood flow, oxygenates your skin, and makes your face look alive before makeup even touches it. Let's get juicy. Pineapple, papaya, lime. This combo is rich in enzymes that gently exfoliate your skin from the inside out. Your skin will be smoother, softer, and brighter. But skip this juice, and you'll keep battling uneven texture and dullness. You thought you were hydrated? Think again. This blend of watermelon, cucumber, and fresh basil floods your skin cells with pure moisture. This is that woke up like this glow. No filter needed. Blueberries, strawberries, chia seeds. This is your skin's defense squad. Protects against breakouts, pollution, sun damage, and early aging. Most people ignore protection, and it shows, but not you. You're building skin that fights back. You've made it to day 7. Time for the final flush. Warm water, turmeric, lemon, and a spoon of raw honey. This is the inflammation killer, the dark circle eraser, the under eye lifter. You've detoxed, you've nourished, you've hydrated. Now, you seal the glow. 7 days, 7 juices, 1 radiant version of you. No expensive facials, no filters, just nature and commitment. Most people will keep scrolling. They'll stay stuck, searching for surface solutions to deep problems. But you made a choice. You started, you finished, and now you glow differently. Your skin's best days are just a sip away. Loved this 7-day glow up challenge? Then don't just stop here. Try it, track it, transform your skin. Hit that subscribe button for more skin-loving challenges. Like this video if you're ready to glow. And don't forget to tap the bell. The next glow up starts sooner than you think. Your skin's journey has just begun. Are you in?